If you know you are having any hair issue, be it slow growth, stunted growth, alopecia, bald patches, any of these issues, this DIY recipe I'm about to share in this video will help you tackle that. Just make this and apply it 2 times a week. This will immediately awaken all the dormant follicles. We'll be using a total of 3 ingredients to make this recipe. Note, if you're not ready for hair growth, if you're not ready for your hair to be too thick, then do not use it because this has the potential to stimulate hair growth. The first 2 ingredients is ginger and garlic. You all know that the combination of ginger and garlic is already a recipe for stimulating blood flow on the scalp. This combination works so well for hair. I don't think there's anybody who have used this combination on their hair and comes back with a negative report. It is always positive. They are always certifying of how their hair is growing so well. The third and the final ingredient is black pepper. I'll personally tell you why I decided to combine these 3 stimulating herbs together. I want you to share this recipe with your family, share it with your sister, share it with your children who needs help with their hair. Because this recipe is very, very potent, it's very, very active. All you need to do is apply it 2 times a week, and within 1 month, you're going to see significant growth. If after using this combination for a period of 1 to 2 months and you don't see results, your hair is still not growing, I advise you to visit your doctor because something else might be wrong. I have gotten a lot of reviews from my close family member who have started using this, and trust me, it is working wonders for them. So we are making a washout spray. So we need to extract the water from the spices. So to do that, I'll first of all cut it into small chunks. We'll be blending this up to extract the water. First, you need to peel out the back of the garlic, but do not take out the back of the ginger. Just make sure you wash it clean and then go ahead to slice it into chunks. I promise you that this spray will waken your hair follicle, even if your hair has not been growing for a longer time. It will awaken your dormant follicle. It will unclog your pores. It will boost blood flow instantly and it will trigger unstoppable hair growth. All from the ingredients sitting right in your kitchen. You can grow that waist-length hair you've been admiring from the comfort of your home. It only takes time, but it surely happens. So I'm going to be using my coffee grinder to grind this up. You can also add a little bit of water so you'll be able to extract the juice. Now, let me tell you all the benefits of each herbs, starting from ginger. Ginger is known as a scalp reviver. It has vitamin C and vitamin B. It strengthens the hair follicle and improves collagen production for thicker hair strands. It contains magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, which enhances blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that nutrients reach every root. Your hair is not growing because there is poor circulation. With these ingredients combined together, I promise you that the problem of circulation is solved because you're going to get circulation like fire. It contains gingerol, which is the active compound that fights scalp inflammation, dandruff, and keeping your scalp healthy and open. Ginger guarantees a better blood circulation to your dormant hair follicle, helping new hair sprouts. It also dissolves excessive oil and product buildup. It supplies oxygen, strengthens the hair strands, and reduce breakage. Number 2 spice, garlic. Garlic is also known as the root strengthener. It contains vitamin B6 and vitamin C, essential for collagen formation and strong, healthy hair strands. It contains a sulfur compound called allicin, the same nutrient that gives garlic a strong scent, also strengthens the keratin and stop hair shedding. Garlic also contains magnesium, calcium, and zinc. All these minerals help repair follicle damage and also promote faster hair regeneration. So garlic guarantees deep nourishing of the hair roots, making them stronger and less likely to break or fall out. The antibacterial property in garlic guarantees clean scalp, scalp free from dandruff, scalp infection, fungus, or scalp acne. So garlic generally takes care of the health of your scalp, ensuring that it remains in the best condition to be able to grow out the hair. Garlic also prevents premature growing by supporting the production of healthy melanin. Now to the final ingredient, which is the black pepper, also known as growth accelerator. This makes sure that your scalp is very active and that your hair is growing actively. Like, it is impossible to have a dull hair follicle with black pepper in your DIY products. Black pepper contains vitamin A, C, and K, which nourishes the hair follicle and boosts collagen production. It also has iron and magnesium, which improve blood flow, also ensuring that oxygen is delivered to the hair follicle. It contains a very active compound known as piperine, which is the key compound that enhances nutrient absorption up to 200%, meaning that if you combine black pepper with anything, it has the potency to absorb better. Because of the black pepper present in this combination, be rest assured that this is going straight into your bloodstream. So with black pepper, it is guaranteed that your dormant hair follicle will be stimulated, and it encourages faster hair growth. It detoxifies your scalp, remove the toxins that might block your growth. It also enhances better absorption of the ginger and the garlic, which make this combination very potent. Like I said before, if after using this combination and you notice that it did not work for you, please go and see a doctor. Before you do that, ensure that you use it long enough, because most times you guys don't use these things long enough to know if it works. You just use it once and you're expecting magic. These are natural ingredients. They take a while to work, so you need to use it at least a month or two. It is safe to say that black pepper is a power booster that makes everything work twice as fast. I hope you will not just watch. Ensure that you try this. If you're going to try it, type "I will try it" in the comment section. Before we proceed, let me put out this. Do not use this spray on a toddler. This is too strong. It is too harsh for a toddler. Do not use it on a toddler. Having said that, this is the benefit of this combination. When you combine ginger, garlic, and black pepper, you get a triple action hair growth system. This spray didn't come to play, okay? Ginger stimulates the hair follicle, it warms up and awakens the hair follicle. While garlic strengthens your hair, it fortifies the root with sulfur, vitamins, and mineral. The black pepper supercharges everything. It amplifies the whole effect by enhancing nutrient absorption and oxygen flow. In all, what you're going to get is reactivated hair follicle, healing your scalp from infections and dandruff. It will stop excessive shedding. It will thicken its strands naturally. It will improve your blood flow, collagen, and keratin production simultaneously. It will leave your scalp feeling refreshed and tingling, which is a proof that it is working. The hot tingling effect that you feel on your scalp after applying this mixture is a proof that it is working. It is circulating blood on your scalp. So it is almost impossible to use this and not see results. Warning: do not overuse this. Do not use this every day. 2-3 times a week is enough. This recipe I shared is not just a spray. It is a scalp therapy in a bottle. Every drop feed your roots, cleans the buildup on your scalp, and awaken your hair natural growth cycle, ensuring that your hair is actively growing. So if you're tired of hair that is not growing, if you're tired of thinning edges, if you're tired of your hair being at the same length for decades now, try out this ginger, garlic, and black pepper washout spray. This might be the solution to your problem. This might be exactly what your hair has been craving. I hope you learned one or two in this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Do have a lovely day. Hope I see you in my next upload. Bye bye.